What's good, Wealth Builders? This your boy DeVaughn back again with another video, and today we're talking about small change. That's right, I said small change and how to become a real estate investor. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, in the world of real estate investment, there's constant change and progress. And as an investor, it's only right to want to get involved. All right, the only problem is the majority of these projects are either kept for the so-called elite real estate investors, leaving the regular Joe out in the cold. You know what I'm saying? It's cold over here for these regular dudes, man. It's cold. But until now, I got some warmth. I got a little fire for you, all right? There is a company that is actually helping us change that narrative, and it's called Small Change. Really, AKA NSSC Holdings LLC. That's the parent company, okay? Now, it's based out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, which doesn't really matter where it's based, because, you know what I mean, we worldwide around these parts, you know what I'm saying? But they are committed to helping the everyday investor invest in real estate projects that you otherwise wouldn't have access to. See, NSSC Holdings LLC created Small Change to allow everyday people to invest in real estate projects that change cities and neighborhoods for the better. Okay, they created a proprietary thing called Change Index to track that change. Okay, more on that later though, We're not gonna get into that at the moment, right? But let's talk about what is small change. All right, so small change makes it easy for people like you and me to invest in these real estate projects through the power of, dare I say it, crowdfunding. You know I was gonna say it, man. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding has really made it possible for people to get involved in real estate and a bunch of different projects that I'm pretty sure they probably and normally wouldn't have the ability to get involved with because of their financial status, right? They might not be making millions and millions of dollars. They might just be making 80 grand a year, but they want to get started in those millions and millions of dollars without having to take out a loan or anything like that. So that's why crowdfunding projects and things like that is so beautiful, okay? And small change is no exception to this new form of investing. But what makes small change different is the fact that small change is different because of what they call the change index, like I spoke about earlier. It's how they inform investors of the change that their projects will make on the community. So you can invest in a more educated manner and just some simple, you know what I'm saying, flip project, you know what I'm saying? Buy an old house and then flip it and then sell it. It's not just that, okay? You're actually learning how your project is changing the community around it. This is what makes investing with small change much more interesting and much more fulfilling, okay? It's not just about the money that you will make from the project, but also the difference your investment will make in others' lives, all right? The entry fee is seriously cost effective. It's not $10,000, it's not $5,000, it's not even $1,000, okay? It's only $500, which if you're really trying to become a real estate investor, then this should be nothing to you, okay? Either you want to save it up or you want to find a way to borrow it, or if you're looking at the cost and saying to yourself, this is too much for your pocket right now, then I want you to check out the Conversion Pros, okay? I know you're like, what? What the hell is the Conversion Pros? Listen, the Conversion Pros will help you learn how to start an online business for free. Okay, if you know anything about my videos, if you know anything about my channel, I'm all about creating an online business, using that income to invest in other things and create a nice cycle of income, okay? More money, invest, make your money work for that money. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, so you making a little money here, you take that money, invest it, make it work, make it bring back more of its buddies, okay? That's what we do around here. That's why it's called the Wealth Builders, okay? So basically, you're going to start generating income to be able to invest into other investment vehicles like small change. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, you get access to email autoresponders unlimited. You get a landing page creator unlimited, online marketing training, the ability to purchase leads for your business. That's for almost any business online. And you get the ability to send text messages to your leads. You get access to build your own blog. And the fact that you can use the system to build any business online is one of the best things about the system, to be honest. So there you have it. My review of small change and how to become a real estate investor. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out all the links in the description. All right. It's your boy DeVaughn signing off for how to become a real estate investor. Small change review. Do remember, Wealthbuilderz, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealthbuilderz, baby.